Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have valid IP address on your Windows 11. So you just need to follow me. I will show you guys how to fix that issue. So simply you just need to go to your start or search window and you just need to type cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. And after open command prompt you just need to type few commands which I'll give you on my video description. So simply you just need to type over here netsh winsock, then reset. Okay, after that you just need to type netsh int ip reset. Once it will done, you just need to type ipconfig /release. Okay, after that press enter. So don't worry that I will give you all this command to my video description. After that you just need to type ipconfig /renew. Next you just need to type ipconfig /flushdns. After done, you just need to restart your PC and it will fix your problem. So after restart, still if your problem is there, then I will suggest you to reset your network. Simply you just need to right click on your start menu icon, click on settings, and after that click on network and internet. From your left side, on your right side you will get advanced network settings. So click on that. Now scroll down a little bit and you will get a network reset option over here. So select that option. Now after that click on reset now. After reset you just need to restart your PC and it will fix your problem. So I hope this tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.